The FHM development team has partnered with Rango Exchange to provide users with the best cross-chain DEX aggregation experience available, directly from our investments app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect and use our newly integrated multi-chain swap. Step 1. Go to the Phantom.com Zap app linked in the description. Step 2. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the Phantom app. Step 3. In the You Pay part of the application, select the network your wallet is connected to currently and the asset on that network you'd like to pay with. Today, we're going to pay with DAI on Phantom Opera. Step 4. In the You Receive part of the application, select the network you'd like to receive funds on. For this example, we'll be purchasing Binance token, BNB, on the Binance Smart Chain. Zap will now do some calculations and provide you with the number of tokens you'll receive, the route, and the number of transactions that will take place behind the scenes. Zap will also provide you with the DEXs it used to fetch the conversion price and liquidity between the trading pairs before you confirm your order. Step 5. Click the Swap button. And that's that. Now you know how to swap assets across multiple networks, all from a single window in our application. Imagine what else you might find in there. If you have any questions or just want to say hello, join us at our communities or on our socials linked in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe if you believe investors deserve top-end financial products at a fraction of the hassle. Phantom.com.